Imagine you just won a significant amount of money online. You're ecstatic, but then reality hits. How do you actually spend it? If you found yourself in this situation, you're probably familiar with Paysafe, a popular online payment method. But what can you actually do with it? Understanding Paysafe. Paysafe is a digital wallet that allows you to store and spend money online. It's a convenient and secure way to make payments without sharing your personal financial information. But with so many options available, where do you even start? Online shopping. One of the most obvious ways to spend Paysafe money is online shopping. From clothing and electronics to books and groceries, you can buy almost anything with Paysafe. Many online retailers accept Paysafe as a payment method, so you can browse their catalogs and find the perfect items to spend your money on. Gaming and entertainment. If you're a gamer, Paysafe is a great way to fund your gaming activities. Many online gaming platforms accept Paysafe, so you can purchase in-game items, subscriptions, or even entire games. You can also use Paysafe to buy digital content, such as movies, TV shows, and music. Online gambling. Paysafe is a popular payment method for online gambling. Many online casinos and poker rooms accept Paysafe, so you can deposit and withdraw funds easily. However, it's important to gamble responsibly and only bet what you can afford to lose. Other online services. Beyond shopping, gaming, and gambling, Paysafe can be used for a variety of online services. For example, you can use Paysafe to pay for online dating subscriptions, cloud storage, or even domain name registrations. Tips for using Paysafe. Security. Always prioritize security when using Paysafe. Make sure to use strong passwords and avoid sharing your account details with anyone. Fees. Some Paysafe transactions may involve fees. Check the terms and conditions of your Paysafe account to understand any applicable charges. Customer support. If you have any issues or questions, don't hesitate to contact Paysafe's customer support. They are there to assist you. Paysafe offers a wide range of possibilities for spending your money online. Whether you're a gamer, a shopper, or simply looking for a convenient payment method, Paysafe has something to offer. By understanding the different options available, you can make the most of your Paysafe funds and enjoy your online purchases. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.